next thing I'm gonna teach is how to draw a cube from imagination. You know what a cube is supposed to look like, but if you were trying to do it freehand, you might end up with a shape that looks a little wonky and maybe not really like a cube at all. And in drawing, we actually have a shortcut to make a cube perfectly cube-shaped, how it should be. Our perspective of what a cube should look like. And so you make a line, and this is known as the horizon line. It's the same term that you know, it's a horizon when you look out to the distance. This is the same thing. This is the horizon in the distance. And we take any 2 points, and we're gonna bring that over to the foreground. I'm making 2 lines like this, and we're gonna take note of where these points connect. Maybe get this a little more accurate. We're going to see where these points connect and make a cube. So I'm going to draw a straight line here, a straight line here, and connect it using the lines that we made from these points. These are known as vanishing points, which literally just means the closer an object gets to this point, the further away that it is. So you see that this edge of the cube in the center right here is close to us right now, but these two are closer to the vanishing point, so it's getting further away. That's all that means. And now that we have our cube, we can decide where the light source is. So let's say the light source is coming in this way with this big arrow. Then the plane facing away, this one, we're going to shade that in. And so that's how you make decisions on where to shade in and how to make shapes accurate, represent what we're really seeing when we look at a cube. And once you get good enough, once you practice this a few times, and you make a couple of cubes, you will be able to freehand it. But the only reason freehanding it will work is if you're thinking of a horizon line and you're thinking of vanishing points, then you will be able to make a convincing cube. But even when you're freehanding it, you can't forget this principle of horizon lines and vanishing points. I'm just going to shade this in. And this is a free-handed cube. Theoretically, the vanishing point for this one would be really far out. If we were to drag out these lines, we'd end up like somewhere here. That's how you freehand a cube after you understand this and the principles that go into making an accurate cube.